forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
So it's the manners and prayers, my peeps. Welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Don't leave way.
Hey everyone, hope you guys are good. Guys, we just wanted to hop on real quick and just say hi. Hi.
Nice.
Yeah, lots of you have been asking where have we been. You haven't seen us. We haven't really been uploading videos consistently, but we're here and we're good. So we just wanted to let you know that we're here. We're good. We've just been busy, right?
It was a give thanks to life.
Yeah, we've just been busy. What we've been doing, Outlaw?
You know, we have a little touring thing going. So we're busy at some tour.
Yeah,
we have some people that depend on us for something there. So we'll take care of them people there.
Yeah. So guys, we, like Outlaw said, we've been busy touring. Touring is one of our businesses, right? So we've been busy touring. You know, it's summertime, so you know this is like our busiest time. So we have to take the time out to do our tours and take our people around, show them a good time.
Simple.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah. Yes. So we're here. We're here. I also just want to say thank you and welcome to our new subscribers. Yeah, I see all of you. Our subscriber count has definitely been going up. Lots of you have been subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it and we thank you. So welcome to the family. Welcome to the DMS family. Welcome to the datmisehtv family. Our new subscribers.
Enough respect.
Yeah, a big up to you guys. And for those of you who don't know, especially maybe our new subscribers, outside of YouTube, we do run a few small businesses, right? And so we just wanted to share those with you. They may come in handy to you. You may need our services, maybe at some point, right?
I don't know everything going.
Yeah.
I don't know where else we can go.
So we have, we run a few small businesses, right? So the first one that most of you will know about is our tours. So we have a tours company. We both run a tours company together called datmisehtv Island Tours. And we do island-wide tours, right? So if you come to Jamaica and you want safe, reliable transportation services, that's us. We take you anywhere you want to go. If you want to go on the south coast, you want to do the north coast, you want to do the grill, whatever you want to do.
Just give me an address.
Yeah.
I'll do the rest.
Yeah, so we do tours. That's one of the things we've been doing. That's what we've been busy doing this summer. So that's one of our businesses. We do have an ad, guys, and I'm going to run the ad at the end, all right? I'm going to show you our ads for all our small businesses. The second thing we do is finding land and properties.
Yeah. So, I said this already. I think you're going to hear that something too from us. Where we tell you must do your due diligence.
Definitely.
Before you spend.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's kind of where we help to come in, right? So we know that we have a lot of our subscribers and viewers located in the diaspora who can't always, come here to do property searches. Their feet are not on the ground, but we are on the ground, right? And so how we help to assist is by looking for properties on your behalf. Maybe you've seen something online that you like, a piece of land or a property, and you want us to go and view it. We view it on your behalf. We video, we send you the video back. Maybe we can do FaceTime calls sometime as well, so you can see it as we're seeing it. We find out about the neighborhood, the area, the community. We find out as much information as possible. We act as a first point of contact between the realtors as well. And so we do that on your behalf. So that's a service that we offer as well for those looking for land and properties.
So we get 100% surety before you move.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. And like Outlaw says, it's about doing your research and your due diligence and knowing what you're getting instead of kind of just buying blind or not really having a clue, So that's how we kind of assist
you
with
can
that
reach,
well.
we can do it.
Yeah. So that's our second small business. The third small business that we do is land maintenance. All right. So if you have a piece of land out here in Jamaica, again, maybe this is not just for people in diaspora, but maybe you're here too, and maybe you can't really, don't have the resources to manage it. We can maintain your land. So maybe you've got land that needs to be cleaned or cleared. Maybe it's bushed up. It needs cleaning, clearing. Maybe it needs to be fenced round, or you need a wall built around it. That's something that we do as well. So if you have a piece of land, and you need that to be maintained, that's something that we can assist with as well. And
good to go.
The fourth thing that we have going on, guys, it sounds a lot, right? We've got our hands in a bit of everything. So the fourth small business that we do is an online store. And I'm going to put some of the products up from our store as well. So we have an online store. It really started out like as a merchandise store. Guys, if you don't know already, Outlaw has all these sayings, right? He has all of these little sayings. What's the word? Around there we have swinger and all these type of things.
Look up, no that's
yes. And manners and prayers, of course. And that me say, of course.
Well,
so it started off as a merchandise store with some of Outlaw's quotes, but also with some inspirational quotes as well, with some Bible verses. And then we've kind of expanded it as well now. So not only do we just do hats, t-shirts, water bottles, we also do things like earbuds. Yeah, wireless earbuds, we do those. We do sweat bottoms, jogging tops, hoodies
and
yeah, we do quite a few things. And so so check out the store. The store is called That Me Say Store, right? That Me Say Store. You can check them out. We have a website and you can search for it and you can order your products, all right? Online as well. So yes, guys, that's just a little bit about what we do outside of YouTube. We've got an ad that we're going to run and show you our ad. Guys, some of you may have seen this at the beginning of our videos. If you see this at the beginning of videos, I'm not sure what is that. It's us. It's our business. So we just wanted to clarify that. That ad is our business.
Anything you see.
So, yeah.
And that's what we do.
That's what we run.
Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Right, okay guys, so to access the store, the first thing you need to do is type in datmisehtv.com. It will come up, and this is what it will look like. Okay, so if you go to catalogue, all of our products will come up. So here you can see we've got lots of different t-shirts, aprons, we've got t-shirts with Bible verses, t-shirts with ladies, different females on there for the ladies, we've got different quotes, we've got inspirational t-shirts that say things like faith over fear, we do tote bags. This one is created with a purpose. We also have created with a purpose in different t-shirts as well. So t-shirts, tote bags, caps. There's some of our Christmas stockings, getting ready for the Christmas. You can see we do hoodies as well. We do water bottles, caps, we do jogging bottoms or sweatpants. With all different slogans and sayings. We do sliders as well, guys. We do sliders, yeah, men's sliders with that me say on it. We do cups or mugs. We also do Bluetooth speakers as well. So let's click on and have a look at those. Bluetooth speakers, wireless and charging pads. Yeah, so Bluetooth speaker and charging pads. We also do passport covers. This one says manners and prayers. We've got one that says that me say, different colours as well. We do candles, scented candles as well. So if candles is your thing, then maybe you can have a look at some of our candles too. Yeah, we also have, what else? Socks. We've got a wine tote bag. We do here the earbuds here, wireless earbuds. We've got ones that says manners and prayers on them. We've got the ones that also say that me say on them as well. So that would be a good gift for somebody. Yeah. Let's have a look at the other ones. That me say wireless earbuds too. Here they are. We also do satin pajamas for the ladies in pajamas. We've got the white ones, we've got the black ones, and on there it's got the inspirational quote as well, created with a purpose on there. We've got faith over fear. We do them in black and we do them in white. And they come in different sizes, guys, from small to XXXXL. A lot of our t-shirts also come in a lot of different colours as well. So for example, this one, Manners and Prayers with the border on it. You can get it in different colours. You've got like a grey-green colour there. Lighter blue. Aqua colour. So they come in lots of different colours. Yeah, so guys, please do check the store out. datmisehtv.com. Alright guys, so in terms of some of the merchandise, here is one of Outlaw's favourite pieces. Do you want to show them? Can you see what it says? You're going to read it?
Tell them, man, come again. Oh, yeah.
Let me hold it.
Yeah, my babes. You know the thing go? Round the way as we go.
That's one of Outlaw's favourite sayings, and we've got it on the t-shirt.
Right there.
Yes.
So, just a sample. We make it
just a sample, and of course...
Yeah.
We've got our That Me Say as well. Yeah. So that's just a few of the just a couple of the merchandise that we have.
I name one cocoa fully basket.
Yeah, we have that too.
And you see, don't pass it.
Guys, go on the website. Go on the website and everything is there. Everything is there. All the products are there. And guys, also, because it's coming up to Christmas time, I will do more promotion. Coming up to Christmas time, we're going to be running a Christmas special where you can get all your products at a discounted price. So yeah, I know nobody wants to think about Christmas right now, but you're going to see all the ads on the TV soon. So we're going to be running a Christmas special for the products and merchandise on our website. So go and check it out.
Time around 5 babes. Christmas around the road.
Oh gosh.
You know, keep up on here.
I know we don't want to hear about it, right? Alright guys, yeah, that's really it. We just wanted to say hi, hello, how you doing? Yeah. Look out for some more great videos from us, more content.
Hey, so what's the blessings? Some people see it and think are dressings. Master got business in my try message.
Alright guys, until the next time. That me say.
It work.